So let's see what we have in this box, guys. I got this box from Amazon. So decided to go for the yellow one this time. Oh my, this is like heaven for me, guys. Wet wipes, it's a must have in every house. You have to have this, guys. So after using your toilet roll, you have to use this wet wipes. So yeah, I got that one. And then I got this Fix and Last. I do not wear makeup often, guys, but I really want to start making an effort again to wear makeup because it's almost summer. We're heading into spring, so I want to start looking a little bit okay. I don't know if it would work. So tomorrow I'm going to do a get ready with me tutorial using this. So this is a primer. So it's a jelly primer. And then another thing I got is this. So I'm going to be trying this Nivea Intimate Wash. I did say I was going to make a review on all the Intimate Wash that I've been trying so far. So to give you guys an idea of if they work or if they don't. So I found this one on Amazon. So I didn't even know Nivea actually does Intimate Wash. They had this one and the sensitive no smell one. But to be honest, I wanted to try this one because I've already got about 3 of the sensitive ones and I just don't want to keep trying things without perfume. I want to know if the perfume actually works for this. I also want to test the Intimate powders as well to see if they work or not. I've still got some from before. That fits. Looks really beautiful, right? My husband actually ordered this. He ordered a calendar. Oh, this is nice. So it's got like places in Sweden, Swedish places, which is good. And you got it for like 140 something kronas. You did well, babe. Thank you. So this I am going to try and I'm going to review it. I actually did other kind of powders as well, but I think that takes like almost a month to arrive. So yeah, so I will review this and I'll let you guys know what I make of it. So this is Vagisil Odo Block Powder. So that's it for unboxing Amazon orders from Sweden. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber, it really does make a huge difference to the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.